Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on, man? We got some major catalysts. We're talking short squeeze right now in effect with a catalyst. I'm going to talk about it. BBIG news, short squeeze stocks, man. We also even got some Bitcoin catalyst, man. We're on the cusp of all-time highs, and we got some news to go with it as well that could drive it crazy. We're talking this possibly could send Bitcoin to 75K or even higher. Let's get into the video, guys. I need you to crush the thumbs up. We're trying to get 25 likes on this video and smash the subscribe button, guys, so you can be up on the plays. We love it over here, man. This community is about togetherness. So join the tribe, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have BBIG or if you're into the crypto field. So let's get into it. So right now, today, I loaded up on three of these. I'm currently down $4. I bought them right towards the end of the day. BBIG calls, $11 calls. But I didn't just buy them out of nowhere. I rode the one up yesterday. You saw in yesterday's video from $32 to $63, I believe. So that's crazy. But let's get into BBIG. Why is it on our short squeeze list? Now, BBIG, VINCO Ventures, it's more... It has a lot of things going. First of all, the volume, 140 million, average is 51 million. That's major right there. That's major. 52-week high is 1249. We're currently sitting at 808. Now, today it did have its moments where it popped up here in the green, 45 cents, 52 cents, 6% up. Beautiful. I waited for it to cool off right about here, and this is where I jumped in, guys. But we have some news. So let's jump into it. VINCO Ventures gained 70% this week. Huge jump up. We needed that. Now it says if you've been following BBIG, you know that the company is focused on two things, growth and innovation. That is so true. The fall began with VINCO announcing a major catalyst, specifically that October would bring the launch of its spinoff, Cryptide. So if you've been following, or if you haven't been, now you know they have a spinoff called Cryptide. It is an independent entity focused on blockchain technology disruption that would include digital marketplace NFT.com. After much anticipation, the day slated for Cryptide's launch has finally arrived. While investors have a lingering questions, BBIG stock has enjoyed a week of big growth. So what happened? A few weeks ago, VINCO Ventures released a slide deck ahead of its shareholder meeting. This presentation included, among other things, its proposed Cryptide spinoff. If all went well, the plan called for Cryptide to start trading independently under the ticker symbol TIDE, TYDE. This presentation also set a date for shareholder meeting of October 14th. Pay attention, though, that date has changed. So we go down here. According to the presentation from earlier this season, the date of record for Cryptide spinoff dividend is October 15th. Last week, though, VINCO Ventures filed a separate 8K, changing the record date to October 22nd. Guys, that's next Fridays. That's the date that those calls that I have, that's when they expire. Okay, so we got a week, October 22nd. A lot can go on between then. This means anyone holding BBIG stock at the time will be eligible to receive the dividend and cash in on VINCO Ventures' latest endeavor. However, investors hungry for more information may be a bit frustrated because they didn't mention too much of the Cryptide or the spinoff. So it gained 70%. It began to rise on October 7th and announced a successful acquisition of ad tech inventor AdRiser. I had that video for you. So that was another catalyst. They added the acquisition of AdRiser through its joint venture with Zash Global Media. So it's doing things for its investors. This is a type of company you want to be a part of. The popular retail investor favorite, VINCO, has generated constant buzz from digital investment communities. So what's next for the stock? So this right here. So basically, I'm just going to jump down to the bottom. While everything about this deal remains complicated, it also remains worth watching as existing stock rises, particularly if other things begin trading October 22nd. If we go up right here, investor place analyst Louis Noveller, not saying it right. VINCO Ventures potential yesterday, though, noting that while the company was confusing some of its investors, the upside potential was clear. He wrote that if investors are willing to wait and stomach the type of turbulence that comes with risk, like a short squeeze, they could certainly stand to reap some rewards while BBIG stock proved its skeptics wrong. That's what you want to hear, man. Load up now. But I am not your financial advisor. I'm telling you, I made $2,000 just off of BBIG calls probably about a month ago. And now I'm back in it again, just pecking, getting in on the action again, because they just keep bringing the news, guys. Now, I want to focus real quick on Bitcoin. We all heard of Bitcoin. It leads the market for crypto. Today, it pushed about 62,400 or 600. That is great. We're so close to these all-time highs, man. These all-time highs. We're getting there. So, with that, they had some great news come out about Bitcoin. And if we go over to it, we go to Bitcoin. The catalyst for it this time, right here, is Bitcoin ETF, guys. This is major. This is major. So this came out actually this morning. I just want to glance over it for you. The SEC commission is set to allow the first U.S. Bitcoin futures exchange traded funds to start trading next week. That is major. That's a catalyst that will bring new investors into the crypto world with ETFs of Bitcoin. Right here, the person familiar with the SEC's decision making asked not to be named. They did not respond. Bitcoin traded north of $60,000 on Friday today, its highest level since April 17th. In part of speculation, the SEC would greenlight the ETFs, the world's largest cryptocurrency, by market value is up nearly 40% in October alone and is approaching its record high of 64,869 set earlier this year. The fund launch will mark the conclusion of the years-long crusade by almost 7 trillion ETF industry to persuade SEC to research and sanction an ETF related to the popular cryptocurrency. So this is great news, man. There's a lot of information in here, but I just wanted to bring that up. That's going to bring so many new investors into crypto, or at least get them, talking about it. And I love me some Shiba coin as well, guys. You already know that. But those are two major catalysts that I'm following, guys. So here's the short squeeze list that we're looking at. I'll be back tomorrow with some more detail on the short squeeze plays, guys. If you would, crush the subscribe button, crush the thumbs up, please. We're trying to get over 25 likes on this video, and join the tribe, guys. I really do appreciate it. I love you over here on this channel. Transparency, small channel, just trying to grow, man. I appreciate every single one of you, man. Let's get to about 350 subscribers this weekend. Can we do it? I think so, but let's try to eat off of the market with these plays, guys.